We are investing over £100 million in upgrading the railway between Kettering and Corby in Northamptonshire in a move that will bring significant benefits for passengers. The project, part of our Midland Main Line improvement programme, will deliver additional capacity that enables more frequent passenger services to and from London St Pancras, as well as a speed improvement. Track and signalling is being replaced and a second line installed to create additional capacity. The work will also improve the performance of the existing line. The programme re-energises one of Britain's most historic railways, and between now and 2020 the line between Bedford, Kettering and Corby will be electrified and have track and signals modernised. Station platforms will be lengthened and new trains with more carriages introduced in the biggest programme of improvements to the Midland Main Line since it was completed in 1870. The Kettering to Corby project has seen 14 structures strengthened and improved, including Harper's Brook Viaduct, a 12-arch structure constructed in 1879. "21 kilometres of track have been laid, plus 4 kilometres of drainage, 15 kilometres of embankment work, 73 kilometres of cabling and 6 signal gantries. The work will also improve the performance of the pre-existing line, enabling a top line speed of 90 miles an hour, up from 60 miles an hour. Additional capacity will also be created for potential future use, 5 trains per hour in each direction, up from a previous 2 per hour in each direction. Digital signals on the ground allow trains to communicate with the Derby Route Operations Centre, allowing us to unlock more capacity from the infrastructure we have, as well as improving performance, reliability and safety. This key part of the Midland Main Line upgrade has seen the 7-mile route between Kettering and Corby improved to allow for a more frequent and reliable service in the future. With electrification work to follow, this key railway line can look forward to improved services for both passengers and freight.